Hi everyone, J7409 here with you, and I am going to be calling this coming Friday a severe alert weather day. Yes indeedy, check it out. We got this 30% here down in Texas, we got a 30% up here in Nebraska, 15% chance of severe weather over in Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota. It goes all the way down. And severe weather's possible from Texas down in this area, and of course the Brown area, all the way over to West Virginia and parts of Pennsylvania. This and more coming up on. Here's a quick check of the severe weather map for today. We just saw what Friday's looking like. So, if you're in any of those areas we've just pointed out, make sure you don't have to go out in the weather. And I know a lot of you have to go to work, but I'm saying if any of your handicap or elderly neighbors need anything, or if you happen to be one of those people, make sure you've got your stuff together before Friday arrives, okay? Now, for today, we got scattered severe thunderstorms. They're possible across the central and eastern North Dakota area into northwest Minnesota this afternoon and evening. Now, these storms can produce large hail and damaging winds. These are the primary threats for these areas. However, a possible tornado, could pop up anywhere you see this in the green. And folks, it's looking like we still have days all the way into next week that this severe weather and tornadoes can pop up on us. And all of these systems are going to be marching from the south upward to the east. So please keep informed with your local weather stations as to what's going on with your weather and watch your skies. Temperature-wise, a lot of us have had cooler temperatures. A lot of us have just had some cold temperatures come in. But, folks, it's going to warm up. I'm going to turn this on right quick. And you can see how the heat's going to build. Now, this, of course, is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. It's the GFS 2-meter air temperature. And this is in Fahrenheit. You can see how it's going to warm up. This morning at my house, it's 48 degrees. But coming up tomorrow, it's going to start to warm up, as you can see. Over here, we're going to be in the 90s for days and days on end. So you can see what it's looking like right here as it rolls on through the rest of the month. Of course, it gets cooler at night, but those temperatures aren't going to come down to like they were at all. It's going to be more on the normal side as of today. Who knows, when I get up tomorrow morning, it may be all different. But this is what it's looking like. Hot temperatures. Hot temperatures. Look like they're on the way from Texas up through Oklahoma, parts of Missouri. Everybody's going to warm up to some extent, and especially down here in the mid-Atlantic and Texas area and the South. It's going to get hot, my friends. This, of course, is the GFS map. It's courtesy of Tropical Tidbits with the latest run of today. And before I turn it on and get going to let you know exactly what's causing all this weather across the lower 48, I would like to tell you that it looks like El Nino is dying out. And I saw some graphs a couple of days ago. It's getting weaker all the time. So let's look out for hurricane season. We're still days away from it, but it's getting closer and closer and closer. So I'm watching all this stuff, folks, and I'll be sure and let you know if anything does pop up. But I wanted to let you know El Nino is weakening at this time. So we'll turn the GFS map on. Now, we got a front over the upper Great Lakes. It's going to move southeastward to southern New England and the northern mid-Atlantic coast by tomorrow morning, then off the coast by tomorrow evening. Now, the boundary is going to aid in producing rain over parts of the upper Great Lakes That will move into the lower Great Lakes by tonight. Overnight tonight, rain will expand into parts of the northeast, moving off most of the northeast coast by tomorrow afternoon. Now, this rain will linger over parts of northern New England through tomorrow night. Meanwhile, we got a weak upper level energy area over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley. It should move southeastward to off the southern mid-Atlantic and southeast coast by late tonight. And then we have another area of upper level energy that will follow a similar path Thursday morning through Friday morning. Now, the energy will aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the middle lower Mississippi Valley. Now, that will move into the Tennessee, southern Ohio valleys by this evening. Now, by tomorrow, the showers and thunderstorms will refire up over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley into the Tennessee Valley and move into the central eastern Gulf Coast area by Thursday night. Another front, we got all these fronts coming in, folks, over parts of the northern high plains to the Great Basin area, should move eastward to the upper Great Lakes by tomorrow evening, with a trailing front extending across the middle Mississippi Valley, central plains, and then it's going to bank up against the central northern Rockies. This is going to cause showers and thunderstorms are going to develop over parts of the northern high plains that will move into the northern plains by tonight. Now, the showers and thunderstorms will continue to move eastward to the upper Great Lakes and to the Ohio Valley area by tomorrow evening. We have another developing upper level low that will move onshore over northern California by tomorrow morning, continuing to move inland to the Great Basin area by Friday. And this system will produce rain over parts of northern California that will expand into parts of the Pacific Northwest, northern Intermountain region, and central California and Great Basin area by tonight. Overnight tonight, this rain will move into Southern California, and heavy snow will occur in the higher elevations of the Sierra Nevada area. Rain will expand into portions of the northern Rockies and eastern Great Basin, with showers and thunderstorms developing over parts of the northern high plains by Friday. Now, so far as the snow goes, it will continue to fall over the Sierra Nevada area and in some of the higher elevation areas of the Great Basin area through Friday. And winding things up here, we have the latest run of the European model. We're going to check out tropical weather. This is from myfox.com. If you'd like to check out anything on it, this is the latest run right here. We'll run it up a few days. We don't have anything going on. This is all high pressure, high pressure, high pressure, high pressure. You can see the timestamp right here as we move along. That low pressure that moved off the coast of Canada, that's a low pressure up there. This is the 24th of May, 25th. Still looking like high pressure is dominating the Atlantic and a lot of the Caribbean. You can see Florida's down here as we move up the coast. Kind of hard to recognize, but that's the coast of the United States. And here's the Gulf Coast right in here. And then we're back to today. If I am remembering correctly, I think it's next Thursday, the 23rd, the Climate Prediction Center will have their 2019 hurricane outlook up. That's when they're going to discuss it and have it up. I'll be sure and get that out for you. And as you can see, this is the National Hurricane Center's Atlantic graphical forecast. There's nothing out there as of today, Wednesday, the 15th of May, 2019. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Please subscribe if you're into the appreciate it so much. Everybody stay safe. Severe weather looks like for a lot of the United States will still be going on in certain areas right on through next week at some point. So be aware of your weather and keep a watch on your skies. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thank you so much for watching.